Welcome back to the channel and welcome to another Tesla video. In today's video, we're going to change the cabin air filter in a Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus. So I ordered this guy on Amazon. I'll put a direct link in the description below if you want to replace the cabin air filters on your Tesla Model 3. So let's have a look at what's inside. So these are the cabin air filters. You can see that there are two of them. And then there's actually some tabs here, which we'll get to on the installation. So to install the cabin air filters, basically you need to remove two panels. You need to remove this panel here and this panel over here. Okay, so here we are on the passenger side of the car underneath the glove box. You're going to see that there are 4 clips under here that need to be removed. So we're going to get started on removing those. Now that those are removed, just basically pull down the panel, unclip the speaker and the light. Now that the panel from beneath the glove box is removed, I want to go over and remove this side panel here. Now that we have both panels removed, we want to access the air filter cover, which is right up here behind this wire. So we're going to unclip the wire carefully and pull that out of our way. Now that you have the wires out of the way, the next step is to remove the T20 torque screw that is holding the cover in. Now that you have the cover removed, you can pull out your filters. As you can see, mine are pretty disgusting. I'm going to use this tab here to pull up this one. Again, pretty disgusting. This is a new one. Old. New. Old. Now that the new air filters are installed, it's time to replace the cover. Well, there you have it. A nice new fresh cabin air filter in a Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus. Pretty easy process, took about 20 minutes. Definitely something a DIYer can do on their own. Just be very careful of the clips for the light and the speaker, because I kind of pulled the wires on the speaker a little too hard and had to fix them. So if you like this video, make sure you head down below and hit that like button. It really makes a difference. And if you want to see more videos like this one, smash that subscribe button. And until next time, take it easy out there.